I use Meike grips regularly when I owned the X-T2 and the X-T20, and also when I tried out the grip on the XE3. It was a decent little add-on too. But yes, most of us love how our camera feels naturally in the hand. And my X-T4 that I've been shooting with for some while now is no exception to that rule. But now it's time I need to start buying a few bits and pieces that will make my longer work days go easier with this body. So Meike sent me this, the MK-XT4G hand grip for Fujifilm X-T4. Let's have a, as quick as possible, look at this. It's literally just the grip, bit of silica gel, and we're in. So nice, simple design, Arca Swiss plate, which I find extremely handy. No logo on the front, which I'm very happy about. Still very uninspired by the texture, the plasticky nature of the grip part, but the molding feels fine. On the back, we do have the little logo. We won't begrudge them that there at the back there, but of course you can cover that up if you're into it being all black, as I am. The grooves for the Arca Swiss actually seem very decent, very well engineered. 3 1/4-inch screws holes there, and another one that has a pin in it, which I shall be using now. So we'll get the camera, line it all up, screw it in with a coin. Dead simple. That tightens in nicely. I do like how the little tiny screws here are very recessed. I found a problem with some of the grips that I've used, including the one that was on the T3 that's shooting at the moment. In fact, it's still on there now, the L bracket one, although I've took the L part off. I find that the screws that they used that lie flush do come loose with very random ease. So this looks like it'll be pretty good. There's nothing else that should come apart. It all fits nice and flush to the camera. It looks like it was made for it, which obviously it was, but it looks the absolute part. Now, the grip, of course, you get a nice deeper bit of grip, which I find helps me across a longer day's shoot. I love the size of the T4 and the feel of the T4 without the extra grip, but believe it or not, having that extra bit of grip here just makes life that extra bit easier once you get into the 2, 3, 4 hour plus, you know, the wedding shooter sort of range. That's where that little bit of extra really does make a difference, believe it or not. I think the pros out there will know what I mean, but then it is a personal thing. It definitely doesn't take away from the premium nature of the camera, except for, ironically, the actual grip itself. It's not the same material. It is a plastic material, which I would like to see something more akin to the actual T4 body. But $49.99, all aluminium, just for that extra peace of mind. Also, I can get it on and off my tripod a lot easier and nice and simple. I think it's a winner. I think it fits nicely along with the others that they've brought out, the others that I've tried, the T2, T20, XE3. I don't know if I tried it with the XT3, I can't remember now. Very, very nice. I'll leave a link to it below if there's any other grips and things that are worth trying out. There's 1 or 2 out there that have a couple of extra little features, but this is a nice, solid grip from Meike. That's about it. Just a little thing that'll help us get on even better with our nice, was shiny new X-T4. Stay subscribed. I'll see you in the comments below.